Hello, and welcome to Tech Cubicle on SAP. I'm Daryl Griffiths, and this is my weekly 180 where I spend 180 seconds on the latest techie news that impacts the world of SAP. At the end, I'll pick my favourite to review in a little more detail in the cubicle. Plus, I play a little game I have invented that I'm calling Linked AIN, where I find a post on LinkedIn that I am convinced has been AI generated. Last week we found a definite AI generated post, so we need to match that, and we will. In my SAP Techie news this week, a cybersecurity company called Logpoint has announced the launch of its Business Critical Security (BCS) solution for SAP BTP. The new product will provide organizations with cloud security capabilities, allowing them to effectively manage monitoring and threat detection within SAP BTP. The announcement claims that applications built on BTP will benefit from the product's threat visibility features and proactive defense against unwanted activities. This is an interesting development since 2023 saw a possible first, a vulnerability in SAP BTP. And this is something that I will talk about on a separate video, so watch out for that one. Next, SAP TechEd 2024 dates are announced, along with the format of delivery. This year promises 3 unique events. On 8th to 9th of November, SAP TechEd Virtual will take place, promising to deliver SAP technology news and announcements via global keynotes, technical and developer enablement, and engaging sessions of live and pre-recorded content for everyone across the globe. Then, taking place on a number of dates throughout the year, we have SAP TechEd on tour. This proposes to visit locations in North America, Europe, the Middle East and Africa, Latin America and the Caribbean, Asian Pacific and Japan regions. Those dates will be single-day in-person events hosted by SAP experts. It sounds to me like the numbers will be restricted, which would mean it could be first come first served or maybe on invitation only. The third experience is ASUG Tech Connect on Palm Beach, Florida between 12th and 14th of November, promising visionary keynotes, technical education and enablement, expert-led sessions and a full-scale show floor community experience with networking, best practices and hands-on engagement. Whilst I appreciate that there may be some sort of European get-together at some point, the dates are not published and it might be restricted. Unfortunately, I think this means just like the last couple of years now, there will be no European TechEd Grand Showcase. The latest article in Diginomica has a nice rounded overview of the state of AI implementation projects past and future and highlights the high failure rates in AI adoption projects. It goes on to explain what AI overreach is and how you can avoid it in your implementation project. One of the points in the article was about adopting AI too fast. From other sources around the internet, it would seem that moving too slow could be bad too. So maybe what we're looking at is hitting the sweet spot, the Goldilocks speed for AI adoption. Not too fast and not too slow. Lastly, an interesting article by Ignite SAP on 5G and SAP. The article goes on to assess the potential impact of 5G on the SAP consulting industry, specifically calling out 5G's lower latency and higher bandwidth, which the article says will enhance remote working along with benefits to business areas such as logistics, with real-time tracking and predictive maintenance through intelligent IoT devices. All of this culminates in the proposition that over the next 5 years, the SAP services market in the space of 5G and IoT will be expanding rapidly, and that consultancies and their consultants need to understand and develop specialisms in these expanding business areas. My favourite item this week is the 5G article by Ignite SAP. Attendees of the NTT Data Transformation Now conference last year will have experienced the metaverse in the VR booth, which in a wireless world would rely on a low latency, high bandwidth connectivity infrastructure such as 5G. The potential of this sort of technology is huge and includes future capabilities such as self-driving cars and truly autonomized robotics in places like warehouses or even battlefields. This was all being promised back in 2018, and in the UK we've yet to see the full rollout of 5G. However, the article itself is somewhat out of touch with the latest SAP products. It seems to mention SAP Leonardo, amongst other things. I was under the impression that SAP Leonardo was discontinued around 2019, but when I searched, I hit a number of dead-end questions about product replacement. This is a 2024 article that seems to have missed the memo in the same way I did. What happened to SAP Leonardo? Is it now some part of SAP Industry 4.0? Let me know in the comments below. Finally, as a bit of fun, I've devised a bit of a game. I'm calling Linked AIN. More and more posts on LinkedIn are being created using AI. Some are hard to spot, but others really do stand out to me. This week, I sacrificed this post to the human editors. To me, this looks like it is AI generated. The list output format gives this one away. The post author may have toned down the content creativity so that the icons are not output. I believe they're called emoticons. But that nice short ordered list format is a true sign of an AI generated post. In these types of posts, the author generally enters a topic and clicks a button to generate the body of the post, then just surrounds it with custom header and footer. Job done. Drop a comment below stating whether you agree that this is an AI generated post or not. I bet AI would make even my food shopping list look good. Maybe you've seen a post that you think is definitely AI generated. Send it to me for review on my next 180. As always, reference links are in the description. Drop me a comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and always wash your hands when leaving the cubicle. Bye bye.